and welcome to Business Today Television. Today we bring you a disinvestment special on IDBI Bank. IDBI Bank will be the first of its kind transaction where a bank will be privatized in the real sense. Government holds about 45.48% stake in IDBI, which is of course below the 51% threshold, while LIC holds close to 49.25% of stake. The budget of financial year 2022 unveiled the new public sector enterprise policy, which entails the government will have minimum presence in the four broad sectors, including banking. In fact, government has always said that they would not like to be in the business of running businesses and hence look to offload their stake from IDBI. Now, what makes this privatization challenging and different from all the key disinvestments that were held early this year? While the process of disinvestment of IDBI is on track and government is of course looking to launch the process of expression of interest before Diwali, there are still some challenges that government and LIC together will have to tackle. Sources say that government and LIC together are looking to offload close to 61% stake in IDBI. The process is currently under interministerial approval and then will of course go to alternate mechanism who will take the final decision before the process is officially launched. But there are still few challenges that government is tackling when it comes to the coordination between two major regulators involved, that is SEBI and RBI. Now let's remember that in the banking sector, this is the first time that first such transaction is happening where a bank is being asked to find suitors on a competitive basis. RBI has no problem in privatizing or holding mergers. Look at what happened with Yes Bank and SBI. But this is going to be first such open, transparent process for a bank that is in the hands partly of the government. This is the first time that government is dealing with regulator in the process of disinvestment in terms of criteria relaxations. Well, of course, evidently rules of the game like constitution of board, voting rights, equity cap, all these powers are under the fit and proper criteria of Reserve Bank of India. Government says that it has to take calibrated, gradual approach where both the regulators are on board with a mutual agreement. While the centre is of course keen to conclude the transaction during the current financial year, it is all likely that this transaction may also actually spill over the next year if bidders seek extra time or if the regulators want to hold on certain aspects. While banks and private equities and non-banking financial institutions have expressed keen interest in IDBI Bank in the roadshows that were held early this year.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.